cuties, I hope you guys are doing good. I'm Ritika and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle and vlogs sometimes. So honestly, I really missed saying this to you guys, but yeah, finally I am back. And also happy new year to you guys. It's finally 2025 and I am very happy that this 2024 just left. Okay, so before starting with the actual video, I just wanted to say you guys something. First of all, thank you so much for 200. I know it is like a very small number, but I'm very grateful for each and every one of you guys who have subscribed to my channel and gave me so much love. I'm so grateful. Touch wood. Many more coming on our way. Honestly, I was just not that active because 2024 was so harsh on me. Like, oh God, I'm so happy I just survived that year somehow. But yeah, now that we did, I'm just hoping and praying for 2025 to be like a good year for me. Like, please God, treat me well. So sorry because I have not been that active on YouTube. I'm not even active on Instagram, and I am very sorry about it. Like, I am not at all proud of myself for doing that. I'm just posting like all the collab videos because commitments. That brings to another update. I finally, I can't believe I'm saying this, but touch wood, no nazar you guys, I finally got my PR thing, and I guess this is the only good thing that happened in 2024. So as far as I remember, I got my first PR on November, yeah, maybe October ending or November, but yeah, something on that line. So it's not a paid collab, but it's barter collab. I know we should not do barter collab that much, but I mean, for the starting point and people like budding creators, barter collab is something, it gives a very positive impact in your content creation journey. That's what I feel like. And अभी तक जितना मैंने अपनी fellow creators से बात की है, they also have the same opinion कि एक बार you start getting the collab thing and you do very mindfully, and then you learn how to actually do PR videos and all. So you are like not doing barter collabs ऐसे ही, you are also learning a lot. And yeah, like nothing goes to waste. Whatever is happening, you are getting something out of it. You are always learning. So yeah, with this very long intro, let's just get started with the actual video. This is your reminder to drink water because hydration is the key, and I have learned by heart. So just drink your water. So I am like घर की बड़ी बेटी. Okay, all the घर की बड़ी betis will relate to me because we always crave that big sister, and we end up never getting them because we are the big sister. And yeah, nobody just tell us those things that we really need to know before starting something, or experience something. So being a big sister, I know it's a very love hate kind of relationship. I don't know if I make any sense, but if you are a big sister or like ghar ki badi beti, you know what I'm trying to say. Like, nobody just prepares you for whatever is coming on your way. They just leave you like that and they expect that you are just going to learn it by yourself. There are a lot of girlies out there who are like on their journey in their life ahead, and I just want to help them out with all my own experiences. So let's just get started. Okay, so the first point is that start saying no. I know it is very easy to say and very hard to actually do it. Like, ask me. I know it. I've been there, and that's why I'm sitting here and telling you guys. So, yeah, it is very important to say no. And like, okay, let me explain. Okay, whenever you are going to say no to someone, you are indirectly prioritizing yourself, and that is the most important thing in like today's world, because everyone is so selfish, and they are like, whenever they see any happy maybe couple, or like someone who is prioritizing their health and doing well in their life or career, or like overall life, they are like behind them, and anyway or the other they put nazar. And guys, nazar is real, okay? Like, I'm still learning how to say no, but I'm very proud of myself that I have literally changed myself into a better person by all these small, small habits. The moment you will say no to someone, you will feel that vibration, like that positive vibration on your body, and you will know what are you doing at that moment, and your body and mind will instantly tell you that what are you just doing, okay? Your body and your thought, your mind and your heart, everything collectively will say you that whatever you are doing is right. We literally get that feeling कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, and when that feeling comes that kuch to gadbad hai, it's time to say no to that, okay? People are going to force you, going to influence you. I am someone who gets influenced like this, okay? Ask my friends, ask my family, they will say it. I get influenced like this. I'm just changing all my bad habits, and now finally I am into right track, and I take decisions of my own and take care of my inner health and inner child. Like, baby Ritika is very, very proud of whatever we are right now. So yeah, I'm not giving you bad influence, but just take it positively. तभी ना बोलो जब आपको लगता है कि ना बोलना चाहिए, and don't be a people pleaser, okay? Like, I used to be a big time people pleaser. सबका ख्याल रखना है and all, like very typical बड़ी बेटी वाला thing. But now I am in a very self improvement journey, and yeah, that brings me to the second point, which is stop self doubting. Okay, baby girl, I know हमेशा हमेशा खुद पे बहुत ज़्यादा डाउट होता है, कमिंग फ्रॉम समवन हु इज़ लाइक अ बिग टाइम सेल्फ डाउटर। पे इतना ज़्यादा डाउट करने लग गई थी कि आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट माई वर्थ। सो लेट मी टेल यू हाउ डिड आई ओवरकम विद दैट इशू। सो जब भी मुझे कुछ काम करना होता है, एंड लाइक टू टेक एनी डिसीजन, और मे बी स्टार्टिंग विद सम वर्क, आई यूज टू डाउट माई सेल्फ अ लॉट। लाइक ऐसा लगता था कि ये तो मुझसे होगा ही नहीं, ये तो मेरे लिए बना ही नहीं है, एंड ये तो मैं कर ही नहीं सकती, वगैरह वगैरह। लाइक इट इट डजेंट कम विथ इट डजेंट कम लाइक दैट। ये काफ़ी ट्रॉमा एंड ये सब के बाद आता है। लाइक, यू गेट इट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब भी मैं कोई शॉपिंग के लिए जाती थी, एंड आई लाइक वन ड्रेस, ओके, एंड दैट इज़ लाइक अ वेरी pretty, very cutesy outfit, but it's like in a color that I have never owned in my life. So I will think that I don't know how it is going to look on me. Will it like look good on me? Is it a little overboard for me? Stuff like that. But trust me, ये करते करते ना, I have literally lost my own power of decision making, and मुझे हमेशा हमेशा किसी और पे डिपेंड होना पड़ता था कि भाई, can you please choose this for me? Or like on my parents, on my family, on my friends. Like, I hated that feeling, and when I finally thought that it's high time I have to get out of this situation, what I did to overcome, and I can vouch for it, this technique works, okay? Okay, so whenever you feel like you have no importance, or you go through that phase of self doubt, what are you going to do is called scribbling, okay? Scribbling is something has really really helped me a lot in my own self improvement journey. If you're feeling stressed, if you're feeling anxious, if you're not in a right mindset, and अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा self doubt हो रहा है, just write your thoughts in a piece of paper. And once you're done doing that, like, just write it, whatever coming to your head, just write it. And once you're done, tear that page, tear it all. Don't read it, okay? Just don't read twice. Just write, tear that page, and tear it into small pieces, fold it, whatever, just do, and give it to the universe. Like, just take that all tearing wala pages and fold it in a ball. I know it sounds funny, but it does work for me, and I know it does work for a lot of people. So मुझे किसी ने बोला था कि when you're feeling stressed and anxious and just overall self doubt and all, just do this, and जब भी तुम ये करते हो, like, you're just making a ball of it and just throwing it outside, not in the dustbin or something. कहीं खुली जगह पे उसको फेंक दो. Nobody is going to take it out and read. इतना किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है. Just throw it out. तो जिसने मुझे बोला था said that के आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स जो आ रही है, द नेगेटिविटी, जस्ट गिव दैट टू यूनिवर्स and just take all the positive energy from the universe. Okay, I don't know if I am able to explain it nicely, but uh, just do it and let me know if you feel any change. जैसे आप ये करते हो ना, you will feel that very powerful feeling, like you will feel very powerful and strong. So just do it, okay? Once you do it, I know you are going to love it. Okay, so coming to the next point, which is meal prepping or planning in general. If you are someone who is living alone or living in a hostel or all by yourself and like moving out from your parents' place and just starting a new life somewhere, it is going to be a very life changing thing for you. When I left my hometown and went for some other place for my graduation, this is what helped me so much on my busy days. Like, meal prepping and planning everything is very, very important. Okay, so what you need to do is like sit one day, which is Sunday or Saturday. I used to do it on Sundays. So what I used to do is that on Sundays I used to go on shopping. I used to buy all the necessary things that I will need for the week. I used to clean all the vegetables and everything that I got from the market. I used to clean and unpack and do all that cleaning stuff and keep it in separate containers. So I used to go a step ahead and do another thing, which is meal prepping. Okay, it is so important, oh my god. So for example, meal prepping में क्या करती थी मैं मंडे क्या खाऊंगी, मैं ट्यूसडे क्या खाऊंगी, like breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything I used to write it down first, and उसके according I used to chop veggies. ओके, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मुझे मंडे मॉर्निंग को ब्रेकफास्ट में चीला खाना है, लाइक वेजिटेबल चीला, so I will make sure to chop all the veggies for that chila preparation and keep it in separate containers and keep it in the fridge. So जब मुझे सुबह उठ के खाना बनाना होगा, that will be like a lot easier क्योंकि मेरे पास already vegetables chop किए हुए होंगे and in a separate container, which will ensure that I don't eat anything from outside and unhealthy and don't order stuff from online apps, क्योंकि that is very very unhealthy for my life, for my health. Okay. Once you start, no, you will fall in love with this process and it is so easy. इसमें कोई मेंटेनेंस वगैरह भी नहीं है. So एक दिन लगेगा आपको, मील प्लानिंग कर लो, जो करना है कर लो, and you will be sorted for the entire week. Isn't that great? है great. Coming to the next point, which is talk less, listen more. It's coming from a yapper itself because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोलती हूँ और बहुत कम सुनती हूँ. I get very 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 annoyed and irritated जब कोई बहुत ज़्यादा बोलता है, but मैं खुद ही बहुत ज़्यादा बोलती हूँ and I just don't care about anyone else कि उनको क्या feel हो रहा है. I just keep talking and keep talking rubbish things, and that is not a good thing to do. Honestly, मैं ये बहुत ज़्यादा change करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. I'm trying to listen more and talk less and just changing my overall behavior. So when you talk less, आप automatically लोगों की ज़्यादा सुन रहे हो, ठीक है? And when you are listening to others, you are indirectly taking a lot of knowledge and a lot of learnings from them. So how it works, जब कोई बोल रहा है ना, आप जब सुन रहे हो, it it automatically gets into your head कि ये बोल रहा है, and it just gets told, right? कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि when you are learning something ये आपके दिमाग में उतना ज़्यादा जाता नहीं है, but whenever somebody is saying the same thing it gets into your head, right? So the same thing basically, उतना ज़्यादा उसमें थ्योरी डालने की कुछ भी नहीं है, बस ट्राई करो कि थोड़ा कम बोलो एंड ज़्यादा सुनो लोगों की, क्योंकि पीपल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू से एंड शेयर इन जनरल. सो जब भी कोई कुछ बोल रहा है या फिर शेयर कर रहा है, जस्ट लिसन, calm down yourself and just listen. My parents always say that talk less, you talk a lot and you should not do it in future. वो बहुत ज़्यादा आपके overall personality को काफ़ी ज़्यादा harm करता है. See, it's not something that you have to learn by heart. It is something that if you start doing it is going to make your life easier. Nothing like it is going to change your life like that. I at least I don't know much about it, but yeah, मैं जब से थोड़ा कम बोलने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ and I'm trying to you know listening to other people, I feel like things are getting into my head like a lot quicker. So if that is something that you are suffering through, you can give it a try. Just सुनो लोगों की, ज़्यादा मत बोलो. But also if you talk a lot, it is fine. Nothing is wrong with you. It is totally fine. Like just 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 talking in front of your mama or baba or maybe your boyfriend, husband, brother, sister, best friend, whatever. कभी कभी बोल के वो सब निकाल देना is very 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 important. Like निकालना is very important. So if you are someone जिसको बात करके सुकून मिलता है, like I am someone like that, कि मुझे बात करके ही सुकून मिलता है, so I just talk it out. If you're like that, बात करो, just stick your thoughts out, and yeah, that is it. It is like a very teeny tiny thing. If you do you will see major changes. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. If you do you will feel better. आपके दिमाग में कुछ चीज़ें जाएंगी, but it is not going to make a huge difference. But मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मैं थोड़ा कम बोलूँ and listen more. That's it. Okay, so the next point is think before you speak. Oh my god. Okay, this is something I should learn. I am in a journey of learning it because पहले I used to be like very 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 मुंहफट. मैं कुछ भी बोल देती किसी को, but अभी I'm just learning not to, because people do get hurt by your कुछ भी बोल देने का हैबिट से. बिकॉज जो मुंहफट होता है ना, क्या होता है, देर इज़ अ वेरी थिन लाइन बिटवीन स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड एंड मुंहफट. तो मैं स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड नहीं थी, मैं मुंहफट थी. एंड आई यूज टू टॉक रबिश ऑन पीपल्स फेस. एंड आई नो आई एम वेरी मीन. आई यूज टू बी वेरी मीन. I am getting better with time and good habits. But yeah, before I used to be like very very mean. मैं लोगों के मुंह पे एकदम बकवास बोल देती थी and I know it used to get बाद में मुझे थोड़ा गिल्ट फील होता था कि ये मैंने क्यों बोल दिया, ये तो मुझे नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. बट उसके बाद मैं सोचती थी कि अरे चलो ठीक है, वो डिज़र्व करता है ये सब. बट नो, हमेशा लोगों के मुंह पे ऐसा बोल देना ठीक नहीं होता. जस्ट हैव अ सेल्फ कंट्रोल. जस्ट इफ़ यू फील बैड और annoyed by something, just walk away, or maybe don't listen to him or her. That's what you can do. But किसी के फीलिंग्स को हर्ट करना, मे बी इट्स अ गुड पर्सन, मे बी इट्स अ बैड पर्सन, मे बी वो इंसान आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हर्ट कर रहा है, अगर ये सब थिंग्स हैं, स्टिल आई वुड से अपनी मैनर्स को या फिर अपनी पर्सनैलिटी को ख़राब मत करो एंड जस्ट वॉक अवे. वॉकिंग अवे इज़ द सेफेस्ट थिंग दैट आई हैव लर्नड लास्ट ईयर. लाइक लास्ट ईयर के एक्सपीरियंस से दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड, दैट just walk away, guys. Okay, so we are towards the last point of today's video, which is very 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 important. And मुझे पता है आप लोग नहीं सुनोगे, but let me tell you guys, prioritize your sleep. आपको 7 से 8 घंटे सोना ही सोना है. like trust me, मुझे इतने सारे हेल्थ इश्यूज हुए हैं बस मैं टाइम पे सोती नहीं थी। ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं खुद नहीं सोती थी, बट मुझे काम रहते थे। लाइक बीइंग अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट ना, आई यूज़ टू हैव सो मच वर्क, और मैं फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग पढ़ रही थी, सो आई यूज़ टू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क। लाइक फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग स्टूडेंट्स विल रिलेट टू मी। सो इतने काम होते हैं, आप सो ही नहीं पाओगे। मैं मतलब कितनी सारी स्लीपलेस नाइट्स रहे मेरे, आई हैव लाइक लॉस्ट द काउंट ऑफ इट। और उसके वजह से मेरे इतने ज़्यादा हेल्थ इश्यूज़ हुए हैं कि आई कांट इवन गेट स्टार्टेड विद द लिस्ट, क्योंकि वो लिस्ट ख़त्म ही नहीं होगी। आई एम पेइंग फॉर नॉट स्लीपिंग एट टाइम। टाइम छोड़ो, मैं सोती ही नहीं थी। लाइक देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, आई हैव माई फ्रेंड्स, सारे जगते थे, सारे मिलके काम करते थे। सो लाइक आई यूज टू बी इन अ वीडियो कॉल विद माई फ्रेंड, एंड वी यूज टू टॉक एंड डू आवर वर्क, क्योंकि वरना हम सो जाएंगे। सो that's that. It's high time that you prioritize your own health and mental health, like all over health, be it physical or mental, whatever. Just put some effort and take care of it, क्योंकि यही एक चीज़ है जो आपको लॉन्ग रन तक अच्छे से मेंटेन करना है, एंड दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी फ्रूटफुल। क्योंकि अगर आप अपनी अर्ली एज में अपनी हेल्थ की ख्याल रखते हैं, टाइम पे सोते हैं, टाइम पे उठते हैं, हेल्दी खाते हैं, वर्कआउट्स करते हैं, एंड लाइक बेसिकली प्रायोरिटाइज योर ओन हेल्थ, आपको फ्यूचर में काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिफरेंसेस नज़र आएंगी। बिकॉज आई सी माई ओन बाबा who is a businessman, and he like he wakes up at 5 every day, like 5 a.m every day. And then he literally prioritizes his health, and he always teaches me and my brother to wake up early, have that sun, have that first sun rays on your body, because आज के टाइम पे बच्चों को सबको, लाइक सबको विटामिन डी की डेफिशिएंसी है, क्योंकि वो रात तक जगते हैं। सुबह को उनको सूरज दिखता ही नहीं है भाई, वो जब तक उठते हैं सूरज आपके सर के ऊपर चला जाता है। सो यू गेट इट राइट। I get so much motivated from my own Baba. He is a very strong man, okay? Touch wood. He really prioritizes his health, and I literally love it. And मैं उनको देखती हूँ कि मैं सोचती हूँ कि वाओ, इन दिस एज ही इज़ डूइंग सो 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 गुड। एंड वो हम सबको बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेट करते हैं कि सुबह उठ जाओ, एंड ही ऑल्सो वर्क्स आउट एवरी डे। वो एक दिन भी वर्कआउट मिस नहीं करते हैं। ही ईट्स हेल्दी, एंड ही जस्ट मेक श्योर टू प्रायोरिटाइज हिज ओन हेल्थ। सो या, that is it. You just have to prioritize your own health, because it's you who is going to take care of yourself. And yeah, with that we end today's video. I know it's been a very 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 long video, but I hope you get something out of this video. अगर आपको एक भी point अच्छा लगे and you put that habit into your daily life and you get some kind of benefit, then I'll be so grateful. बिकॉज ये सब जो मैंने आपको बोला अभी, लाइक ऑल द पॉइंट्स, ये सब मैंने अपनी लाइफ में इंक्लूड किया है, एंड आई हैव सीन अ मेजर डिफरेंस। सो दैट्स वाई आई एम हेयर शेयरिंग ऑल माई पॉइंट्स एंड थाट्स, जो भी मुझे लगे कि आई शुड शेयर विथ यू गाइज। सो या, आई होप यू गाइज लाइक दिस वीडियो। ऐसा कुछ मैंने पहले कभी किया नहीं है, आई एम वेरी न्यू टू दिस थिंग, बट आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू शेयर माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस एंड ओन लर्निंग्स विथ यू गाइज, बिकॉज ये सारे बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल हैं मेरे लिए। एंड मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स और मेरी जो छोटे छोटे कज़न्स हैं उनको भी बताया, एंड दे रियली लव्ड इट, एंड वो अपने लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं, एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट। आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, क्योंकि मैंने ऐसा कुछ कभी किया नहीं है पहले, एंड I always do beauty and makeup videos, but I really wanted to do this. So yeah, there we go. Also, now that I'm doing little fine and better than before, I hope I'll be back on filming, and also give you guys a lot of fun videos and informative videos also. So if you like today's video, then don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite part. Like if you are watching till here, don't forget to comment this emoji. I'll be like super happy to see that. And yeah, Just comment down below your favorite part and all the suggestions that you want to see in near future. And yeah, just share with your friends and family who just need to hear and take care of themselves and whom you care about. So yeah, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because that will mean a lot to me. With that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, take care, love you.